guys, how you doing? Your girl Chi. I received this really cute box yesterday, but when I got home I was just too tired and everything, so I thought to do the unboxing with you guys live. Wow, look at that. I just love, anything gold just looks classy. Can you see that? I just love the packaging. I haven't opened it yet, so I thought, why don't I do a live unboxing, right? This actually is from Share Bear, and this is the first of the new sort of bundle mommy package. So what they're trying to do is to package really essential goodies for mommies, especially new moms like me. So yeah, unbox with me. All right, let's dig in and see what's in there. I love the fact that the colors are coordinating. It's all nudie sort of color. I feel like this was intentionally packaged. So what's in here? First item in the box is this Hello World placard. It's essentially when the baby is born, you use it to register the name, the date, the birth weight, and the birth height. Very important detail to have when your baby is born. So this is super fantastic. I love it. I used it for my girl and I used it for my baby boy as well. So this is really handy. Well, let's keep digging in, okay? Next one is dang, look at that. And it's a bear rattle. Can you hear that? Yes! For the kids would definitely love this. You cannot have a baby and not have a rattle. This certainly works with distracting the baby. Really love the fact that it has the berry feel. Like some rattles are usually just plastic, but this actually can double even as a teddy bear, and it's just nice and cute. I really love the wood finishing and everything else. But look at that. That's a little cutie bear. Ready? Ta-da! This actually is for the baby's pacifier. It keeps the pacifier in place. Like with my child, whenever you put a pacifier in his mouth, he's so quick to drop it, and sometimes he drops it on the floor. It means you can't use it again. You have to wash it and sanitize it and all that stuff. So this keeps the pacifier in lock so that your baby can use it as much as possible, and you don't have to keep going to re-put the pacifier in the baby's mouth. So once you just nip it here, bam, and then baby can suck away. So you don't, as a mama, wouldn't have to worry about the pacifier falling off the baby's mouth, especially when the baby's trying to sleep. So this is dope. Again, I love the nude color theme. I love the beige. I love all the color combinations. It's just giving all that it should. All right, next item is the baby hairbrush. Guys, you cannot not have a baby hairbrush, especially in those first few months. Even if you're combing, this helps with the cradle cap and everything else. So as you're brushing away, it doesn't hurt the baby. If anything, it suits the baby. Again, I love the wooding finish, and I just love how soft the brush is. Next item is the liquid black soap. Okay, so I personally use this as well, especially for the hair and everything. Sometimes I use it as an exfoliator. Sometimes I use it as a full bath shampoo and everything. Black soaps are super popular. So this is made with honey. It comes with apricot, castor oil, aloe vera juice. You guys Google aloe vera and you'd see all the benefits, okay? So yeah, this is really good, and I love that there's a baby-friendly version as well. So for the first few months of baby bath, that is super essential. Next on the list is the whipped body butter. You can see here that it's actually unscented, and that's extremely critical when you're handling a baby. Unscented is definitely the way to go, because perfumed items could cause some sensitivity issues. I love this a lot because I also have it. By the way, most of these products, the skin products, I have used. I loved it. So I've been really suffering from a terrible dry skin. Myself, my husband, we're coming from a dry skin family, especially during pregnancy. It was so heightened, but this body butter just did it for me. You can see, come on, and this is just in the morning, right? And the good thing is that when you apply it, it's really light, it's really soft, and it absorbs quite great in your skin, and you don't even feel like you have anything yet another body butter. Actually, look at that. I live for the Share Bear branding. It's just so baby friendly and it's so cute. I'm sure if my daughter sees this, she'll just want to like eat on it. She'll probably even want to open it because it's just too cute. Anyway, this is another body butter. It has shea butter, coconut butter, almond oil, vitamin E, and you guys know all of that stuff is extremely critical when we're talking skin, and it really goes a long way in emulsifying the skin barriers and just making sure that it's protecting the skin from, you know, dryness, pigmentation, eczema and all that. And you guys know eczema is pretty common with babies, right? So this definitely, I mean, I'll open it up. Look at that, just look at that when you talk about butter. And by the way, all of these products are super handmade, so you can see it's handmade with love. The final thing in the box is this muslin cloth. It's really super handy, 100% cotton, and you know cotton is super good for your baby. You don't want anything like, your baby's skin is so sensitive, right? Babies generally are so sensitive, so you don't want any puffy cloths or cloth with like excess hair and stuff. That causes some reaction and some discomfort with the baby. So every sort of cloth that goes on the baby's body has to be cotton, right? So with the muslin, the smaller ones are usually used for burp cloths or for winding. The bigger ones are actually used for swaddling. And you know, of course, the first few months of the baby, swaddling is like the best thing that can ever happen to like ease the baby in and get the baby to sleep. I really love it because it's breathable, it's light, it's, you know, it doesn't have any sort of hair. You can see it, right? It's just so cute. And of course, the bear, everything. So I love the thoughtfulness with the branding and just maintaining sort of the branding theme around Share Bear. So all of these products, by the way, are, you know, made with shea butter, and you guys obviously know how important and critical shea butter is. So yeah, I'll probably just open this and show you guys how big it is. Just look at that. Look at that. Wow, this is so big. But yeah, I love it, and I definitely can't wait to use it for my son. So you guys, if you don't already know about Share Bear, please check them out. Their handle is in the description below, so be sure to check them out. If you're a mommy or a new mom, this is Chi-fied. This is Chi recommended, Chi certified, and that's what I mean, Chi-fied, okay? Because we're talking babies, right? We're talking sensitivity, we're talking our little ones, right? And when I tell you the natural and the organic is the way to go, it is the future. So guys, if you haven't already checked out the Share Bear website or the online website or even the Instagram page, please go check it out. My baby girl has really bad dry skin. All the hair butters I've used, none has worked. Like, she has really dry, flaky hair, and this is the only thing that has successfully removed those flaky hair. So once she has a bath, especially once it's wet, I just apply it on it, and her hair is super moisturized the whole day until the next bath, right? So if you haven't already checked it out, please check out Share Bear and let me know how it goes, right? I mean, saying things will work for some and wouldn't work for the other. But anyway, there you have it, guys. Thank you for unboxing with me. This is a perfect starter box for every mom. So if you're a pregnant mom, a new mom, a mom in waiting, you definitely need this package, okay? So please don't forget to visit Share Bear and order, right? Look, and thank me later, okay? From a mother to another mother, this is definitely your bundle package you need. So even whilst you're going to the hospital to deliver, you definitely need this. All of this will be essential with nurturing your newborn. So go get it, try it out, and thank me later. Leave your comments below, and please do well to visit the Share Bear site and the Share Bear handle. Okay, bye.